Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Discord is an American VoIP instant messaging and digital distribution platform designed for creating communities. Users communicate with voice calls, video calls, text messaging, medias, and files in private chats or as part of community called servers. In order to sign up for Discord, go to your Play Store and make sure you have downloaded Discord application on your device, or you can even go to your web browser and type in discord.com. After you have downloaded the application on your device, simply tap it open. After opening your Discord application, you'll be able to display this kind of an interface. Simply tap on register in order to sign up to Discord. You can sign up to Discord using your phone or your email option. Enter anyone you'd like. Let me go by my email address. Enter your email address first and tap on the next button. Type in a username for your account, and on the next field, enter your password. After that, tap on the next button and enter your date of birth. After selecting your date of birth, tap on done and finally tap on create an account. You'll need to verify that you're not a robot. To do so, tap on verify. Now on the next page, you can create your own server. Tap on create my own to do so and choose from the options whether it is for a club or a community or for yourself and your friends. Select any one of your choice and tap on create server to create your own server. That is how you can sign up for Discord. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.